Good day everyone, my name is Amish Azwan from Ionic. Today we got a very special drones. So DJI just released their new lineup, Mavic 3 Enterprise series. So we have here with us Mavic 3 Enterprise series. So let's take a look what inside the box. So what do we have here? First one is the drone itself, Mavic 3 Enterprise series. The smart controller DJI RC Pro. And they give us 1 unit of Mavic 3 intelligent battery. The power adapter to charge your drone and also your remote controller. There's a 2-port, C port, C1 and C2. What else? They give us 1 pair propeller. This is our first one. Second pair. And the third pair. So they give us 3 pair of propeller. What else? Yeah, the power cable. 3-pin power cable. That's important. And the cable, Type C to Type C. And USB 3 to Type C. The product certificate and also the manual. And 1 unit of Allen key to make sure you tighten your screw on the drone. And last but not least, they give us the SD card, external SD card, 64 GB. Okay, so all your storage, all your image, video gonna store on the SD card. And the last one, let's not forget about it, the hard case itself is watertight, so it's very rugged. You can bring all your drones everywhere. Thank you very much for your time to watch our video, and if you have any further inquiries, please drop by on our website www.ionic.com, or you can drop your email to our sales team, sales.my@ionic.com. Our team will be gladly happy to guide and assist you on this matter. And once again, thank you very much and have a good day.